It just adds that extra little bit of vacuum seal to it, so the liquid is still circulating within the dish and the dish doesn't become dry.
However, my recommendation again would be buy yourselves a nice little Pyrex dish. They're very cheap and you can use them for lots of different things. Unless you find one here somewhere.
Hey, because it sounds very familiar. What is the lid thing? And you can use the lid as a separate thing as well.
Yeah,
it's
you
like
could if you wanted to.
Maybe I was looking at it, didn't buy
You
it.
can use them for lots of different things.
Right, so we're looking at what?
Half an hour.
Half an hour?
So I don't know the stove.
So do you want to go 40 minutes?
No, now it's on.
Alright, back to the endorsement.
I think we might have to miss it. It's never going to be the same as the first time.
Right, okay.
You might have to do the endorsement at the end.
So, take two. Take two.
Before you do your body roll, can I just get into the oven and see what this looks like? Then I can leave the room if it's not ready.
Alright.
Go on, go ahead with your body rubbing if you
I'm
want.
not going to have you behind me because I don't know what you're doing.
Yeah,
I know what I was doing when she was in front and I was behind.
All I'm doing is checking to see what this looks like. So that's it. I can't tell you whether it's ready or not ready.
So we're using the foil in lieu of no
lid. If we had a lid, can I just show it to them though? Yeah. So if we had a lid, you'd be able to look into it without.
And if you had a lid, it's a little bit more concentrated.
Okay, so looking at it,
it's not ready.
It could be ready if you wanted it to be ready. This is such an easy thing. You don't need to do too much to it. It's ready whenever you want it to be ready.
Is this on?
Yep.
Yeah.
So you can see it's bubbling. It's still got lots of liquid. It's nice around here. The tomatoes aren't quite broken down. If I had a fork, I'd use it. But this, see how they're mushy?
Oh, yeah.
So they're doing well. So, but what I'm going to do is because we're running a bit behind.
Why don't you get
talking,
forked?
You get forked. We're running behind time.
Fork you.
So I'm going to put it back in. And because Jussie's going to make something else to go in the oven, when he's finished making what he needs to make, the oven will be ready to go. When that's going in, because it's going to take a bit of time, I'm going to take this out. And it'll sit on the side while those things are cooking.
Beautiful.
Alright, and I'll put some cheese on it and we'll just see.
Lovely
later it's in
jubbly.
there. So I'll put it back in for now. But you don't want it to be dry. You don't want it to burn around the edges and you don't want it dry. That's the goal.
Pop the cork.
Well, it's not really sitting on properly.
Yeah, we don't like dead air, do we? Not at all. Right, so a moment from my sponsor. Only organic. And don't panic, because it's organic. Yeah? Extra virgin coconut oil. Now, who's not going to want that? I mean, it's really good in food, but I'm telling you, it's also really good to rub in your body. And I don't mean to say that in a sexual way. If you are like, got like, no, if you got rashes or anything like that, I'm telling you, coconut oil is the way to go. Don't listen to them. I know. Coconut, and especially virgin coconut oil all the way. Yeah, rub it, baby.
That nipple's hard.
Yeah, I bet it is.
Why don't you touch my asparagus? Right, okay. So we're going to get back into a serious mode now.
Yes, because we're running behind.
So we have extra virgin baby potatoes. Why are they virgins? Because they haven't sprouted yet. If you have any idea about what I'm talking about or not. And we're going to make scallop potatoes. Very simple and really nice with this dish. So basically what we want to do is, I've got the eye. Can you see the eye? The eye. So I'm going to point the eye forward and I'm going to do about 1/2 mil cuts. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, you can make so many sexy shapes with this, but we're just going to leave it like that. I'm going to cut the rest like that, and then we're going to saute them in the oven. And, well, that should take about 15 or 20 minutes. And we've also got some corn that we're going to work with. because we love Korn. Well, the first 3 albums anyway. Anything after that was a bit shite. Don't know
So
what happened there.
Tools
Daniel,
new album coming out.
yeah, they've been saying that for about 6 months.
No, apparently it's going to be a
Stone Temple Pilots, apparently.
The Stone Temple Pilots have had the album out for ages. It's great. I heard it when I was on a Virgin flight. If anyone has got a discussion about Virgin flights over Jetstar, pay the extra money. I'm telling you, you'll get the benefits. Virgin is awesome.
Especially if you're flying Atlantic Virgin.
So is organic Virgin. Coconut oil.
It's all about
But
virgins tonight.
Shopkins, proud sponsors. Their spoons, kid spoons, for life.
Endorsed by Amy.
Oh. But right, okay,
In our family kitchen,
yeah,
it's a different
I'm
matter.
no one. Right, okay, so you got corn. We can do 2 ways about this. We can peel it, or we can peel it. So we're going to peel it.
as opposed to peeled.
Wow, we can peel it sexually, or we can just peel it. I can have some fun with this. Now, Korn
It's like
were
a nice one.
Korn were a great band in the 90s, but they weren't as fibrous as this. I don't remember them being so fibrous.
Oh, they're fibers.
Actually, no, that's covered over there.
You wish, love.
Mate, I'm just trying to get the husk off. I don't need to get the husk off because, you know, clearly my wife's husky enough as it is. Right, and then you just like get it, twist it, snap it off. See? Now that's a good corn.
It is a good corn.
Now, just does anyone realise why the R in corn is spelled backwards? Now, this is a really, really good trivia question. If anyone can answer that. Cuz, you listen to Korn. Not too much. I know Mike and I liked it more than you did, but you didn't mind them.
I didn't mind them. The
It's got
answer
something
is
to do with the movie.
the answer is no. I don't know.
No, I didn't listen to them much. I have a very limited range of
Corn.
Korn.
corn.
So, therefore, you are Korn terminated. Right, okay, so the answer would be that a couple of the members actually worked at Toys R Us.
That's right.
And the R in Toys R Us is backwards.
Ah.
And that's where
They got
it came
the word
from.
corn and the
Toys
Right.
R Us? Toys
So-
R Us were going back that far. I don't
Yeah.
remember them.
Right,
in
okay.
America.
So, a bit dirty, And what you want to do is
I
stick your
wouldn't
knife
worry
in
about
halfway, and just slice down. That's good. Cut in again.
Basically, so I'm not
Slice
strong enough
down.
to chop through
Done.
them
Yeah.
more than once.
Then what you want to do is, and sponsored again by Peroni, not have too many Peronis when you do this, because ideally what you want to do is you want to cut it in half and then in half again, but you need to put into consideration that this half is a little bit smaller than this half.
Not so much so on that one.
So,
on others more
a
so.
little bit. I mean, I've seen sex toys bigger than this, but anyway. So then you're going to wrap it down like that, and then it's kind of stuck in the middle and it's centered. And then you just push down, and look at that, it's done. Yeah? Down. Done. Simple life.
Very good.
Yeah? Simple life. Right. Do it again just in case that my cutting's not straight, because Peroni is obviously not being good to me today, because we still have to pay for it. I'm not sure if I like this. We sponsor someone and they're not actually giving us anything,
Yeah.
because we're actually sponsoring
supposed
them.
to get paid
They're not
before-
sponsoring us.
before you start
I like to be
sponsoring.
endorsed by Peroni.
I think you need to get that out onto the WWW first before anything's going to happen.